Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learning Salesforce with Sebrin. Today, we're going to continue to work on our portfolio site. So, if you have logged into your portfolio site for the first time, it's going to look something similar to this. Very much so like a skeleton, not much information there. It doesn't look very appealing or pretty at all. So, we're going to change that today. I'm going to show you how to set up the pages on your portfolio. So the very first thing I'm going to do here on this page, this would be considered the home page. So if you click this little drop down button, it's going to show you all the pages that are available. These, I guess, are just like standard out of the box pages. The only ones that I would use for a portfolio site would be home and maybe contact us. And you could change this to say contact me, but I'm actually only going to use the home page here. And then you'll notice if you click out of that here on your navigation menu, it's going to show you the pages that you that are set up on your portfolio currently. So like if you went over here to preview, you'll see this is going to be what your page looks like when someone sees it. So you have the home button and then you have that support page. Um, but we want some different pages there, and I'm going to take away the support page because I don't really want that. So I'm going to go back here to where it says back to builder. So anytime you make a change, if you want to see how it would look to someone visiting your portfolio site, you can just click on preview and it'll give you an idea of how it would look to someone else. So the very first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this support page here because I don't want that. So if you just click on this, it'll bring over this little navigation menu, and we are going to edit default navigation. So here it'll show you the menu structure. So you have support. We want to get rid of that. And then we have home. And we're going to add some new menu items in a minute, but first we have to set up the pages. So you'll see that I clicked out of support, and if I save that menu, then you'll notice now it's gone. Another fun little thing I wanted to point out is if you click this box where it says replace home text with icon, it gives you a little home icon instead of saying home. And I think that's cute. I'm going to leave it like that instead of just the word home. I kind of like the little house. So we're going to keep that there. This little guy just puts the app launcher there. You're not going to want that there. So we're going to keep that checked. And that's all we're going to do there for now. So the next things we're going to do are set up our actual pages for people to click on. So we're going to go just here in this box, the little drop down, or if you just click here in the middle, it'll drop it down. And we're going to go to new page. And we're going to do a standard page. I like to do flexible layout. That way, if you don't like the way something looks, you can always change it. And we're going to next. I'm going to name this page about me. All right, so we're going to have that. You could change the end of this URL if you want to, but I'm going to leave it just like that. And we're going to click create. And then it will automatically take you to that page for you to start building. But I just want to show you how to create that. It's going to take just a second. While that is working, we're going to create another new page, standard page, flexible layout. And we're going to call this one, let's say, education and certifications. Certifications. Education and certifications. You can name your pages whatever you wanted to. You don't have to follow what I'm doing. You could have just one page and everything on one page. You could have 2 pages. You could have 10 pages. Whatever you want. We're gonna have to wait on that for a second. Right, here we go, and we're gonna do another new page. Standard page. Flexible layout. And we will call this one experiences and projects. We'll create that. And then I'm going to create one more page, and that is going to be a guest book page. And we're going to name it guest book. And we're going to create. And all right, so now that we have our pages created, like I said, you can create whatever type of pages you want. You could have a page for just certifications. You could have a page for just projects, whatever you want them. But they're going to be in this list now. So we are going to then go back to our little navigation menu, and we're going to edit the default navigation. And then we're going to add those pages that we just created to our menu bar here. So if we go here, we can type in education and certifications. And here, the name here can be different from the name you created here when you created your page. So for example, you saw earlier it wouldn't let me use the ampersand sign. It will let me use it here. So education and certifications. Actually, I think I'm going to put certifications first before education. Certifications and education. And then the type you're going to want to that is going to be a site page. And then here you'll want to select the page that you just created. So here we did education and certifications. So you can see how you can change the menu, the name that's going to show up here. It doesn't necessarily have to match the page name. So it can be something a little bit different. Okay, and then you want to make sure that you click publicly available. Otherwise, people won't be able to see that here. And we're going to add the next one. Oh, we forgot about me. Again, that was a site page. About me, publicly available. And then, add menu item. This was guest book. It was a page. There it is, publicly available. And the last one we did was experiences and projects, but I'm actually going to change it to say projects. The experiences. And see, I'm going to use that ampersand sign there again. And site page, and that was experiences and projects. And publicly available. Okay, so we're going to save that menu. And then you'll see here how it showed up. Now, these are kind of out of order, so actually I'm going to go back into here, edit default navigation. I'm going to change the about me to the first place under home, and then we're going to do education and certifications, projects, and here. And then that looks good. So about me, nope, there. All right, perfect. So we'll save that. And then now you can see up at the top, if you click preview. So now we've already created this. So when people look at our page, they're going to be able to click on home. And you see it brings us to kind of that default page that was already there. Might take a second to load, but it had that picture on it and all that. And then projects and experiences, that was a new page, so there probably shouldn't be anything there. Nope. And then certifications and education will be the same, and so will guest book. And then about me, same. So we're going to go back to home here. So again, that's how it's going to look. So now we actually have to build out these pages. So the very first page I'm going to build out is going to be my home page, but I am going to save that for another video. So I just wanted to give that quickly to you guys. If you have any feedback or questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.